It's an application here called EasyCut. Very similar to CapCut. As you can see here, a lot of stickers which you can download and pretty much use while you're editing your photos. As well, you have some templates which you can use, a lot of popular templates which you can use. As you can see here, quite a lot of them which you can use here for TikTok to YouTube, and you have some meme ones, VIP sections here, pretty much subscription template which you can use as well. So yeah, any one of these that you want to use, all you have to do is tap on the use option here and you'll be able to unlock this here. So if you want to unlock it for free, you're going to need to watch an ad, so do keep that in mind. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to edit your videos. If you want to edit videos, you can use the edit video section here. And as well, you can tap on this option here to edit photos. So if I do tap on the edit photo option here, as you can see here, similar, very basic photo editing settings and so forth. Nothing much. As you can see, you can go ahead and save it as well. And that's pretty much it. But I'm just gonna exit and press on this current option. You have a photo option here as well, which you can use. Then you have some other features here, editing features which you can use. You can add music to videos. And if I tap on the all tool option, you can see a lot of different features which you can use as it relates to this application. So that's really pretty much it for this application. So I'm gonna try out one of these features here as it relates to this application. You have the text add feature. We'll just load up a few videos and it will pretty much add the text. Now, if you want to edit videos on this application here, all of this tap on the edit video option here, select the video that you want to edit. The application very easy to use, as you can see here, and that's pretty much it. So nothing much for this application, just a simple video editing application. And as well, you do get option to use these templates as well. So at the top here, you do have the Pro subscription, which gives you access to more templates. And some of these templates may need subscription, so do keep that in mind. So if I tap on the Pro option at the top here, you can see their prices as it relates to their subscription. You get VIP templates and stickers and effects which you can use as well, and you have the no ads policy, so you don't have to watch any ads to pretty much unlock any templates. So here you can see the monthly subscription price and the year subscription price. They don't offer any free trial. So yeah, so that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use, and if you have any question about any one of these features, feel free to comment below and I can help you out. But with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next tutorial.